Hello, good morning mga mamies! Welcome to Kisses Wednesday Baon Surye. Today, I cook shrimp salvatore. And for her AM snack, she's having asado siopaw. At sinamahan ko nga pala ng mango jelly ang kanyang lunch. Siyempre, andyan ang kanyang daily vitamins and daily water intake. And for Kisses breakfast, ay nagprepare ako ng egg sandwich with parmesan cheese. At syempre, warm water in the morning. Mga mommies, just a piece of advice. Excessive intake of sugary products can lead to diabetes that can cause kidney damages. That's why lately ay may mga bata ng maaga pa lang ay dinadialysis na sila dahil kulang ang kanilang water intake. Water is still best for our body. At ito nga ang ganap ko kaninang 5:15 in the morning, cooking shrimp salvatore. And this is it mga mommies. Have a good Wednesday everyone!